Niko bwana kirivene bunamponya ariko pokomwa umorokyo manene Sami Pamzo omolo kinga kichinto eraru ase imiroberera twara ase timu ya Shabana FC faterona banya ariko bagusirana nere amuna batiotere amuna bagosori be timu eyo kwera kibuna timu ya Shabana yaikerere kerenga kiaye.
Tulifanya interviews, we had advertised the job. We did some interviews, he was not the only one, and according to our plans that we have for Shabana going forward, he has the experience, he has the knowledge, and he fits well with our plan that we have. That is a long-term plan for Shabana. And you know him very well, he's a former international, and he has coached various teams before, so he was fit for this job. And we never doubt his capability to deliver the team from where it is right now. Support in any institution is very key, especially from the management. As the Shabana management, we can assure our coach Pamzo that he has our support, both financially and any facilitation that he may need from the management. We are ready. We have assured him. We are not going to interfere with these plans. We can only come in and facilitate the plans he has, because he has highlighted the plans he has for us. So for us, it's just to facilitate as management. And we are hopeful that that support will continue, because we never doubt our support for him. It is guaranteed, because we will allow him, we give him a free hand in terms of player selection. Even the recruitment, we had to go slow. On the recruitment, the window is open, he's come at the right time, so we are going to give him a upper hand, a free hand, to make sure that he gets the right people should we need in some positions within the playing unit.
Togote wa mbiyamana se management asogo toretara Pamzo mune head coach. Pamzo has nabuate experience ke Shabana itageta sebono naende otoashuire una fansinga nkorutore nsaria asie timu ikorokwa Shabana ntokageretinga ntobwana retako bansaria kulingana ne nobo shabiki boli tobuata se Kenya ninyegenete nga Shabana nere buate